Christmas came earlier for Atlas Navi, and this is a good day to announce some news. There's so much that happened today for them. Their listing with KuCoin and the initial offering and everything that happened is very, very good news. They also had a very good chat on Twitter. In case you don't follow them on Twitter, I would just recommend following them. You'll find all the relevant links in the description below. Welcome back, everybody. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my team, and turn the bell on in case you want to stay up to date to everything that I post. I decided to kind of start posting again news about the apps I'm using and I make videos on, not necessarily recommending them for anyone to use, or if you want to use them, obviously you'll know that my channel is not having any financial advices. All my videos are just for fun and entertaining. You'll find lots of different videos on my channel in regards mining and crypto and stock market, and obviously all the other topics that I post about. But today is about Atlas Navi. I'm not going to post what Atlas Navi is and what they do and how they do it. I've got another video which I'll link everywhere for you to see, in which if you want to join, consider joining. It's, I would say, probably the killer of ways, because of the way they integrate AI with Nav and everything that they do within the app, and all the milestones that they actually tick. It's very impressive. It resonates with my heart even more because it's a company which is from Romania, the country I was born in, and I'm very proud to see actually one of the projects that I'm talking about in the crypto world actually coming to fruition. And it's very, very impressive to see they actually follow up what they promised to do. It's impressive because with everything that happens in the market, in the crypto world, with FTX now, with all the other big boys falling down, the DeFi filing up for bankruptcy, it's not good news for the market. But as I always said about crypto, if you don't have something to offer in return for the coins, like services or products or something to back up the coin, you'll probably set up for failure. Reason why I think crypto needs this type of projects like Atlas Navi, in which they offer a very good service. And in order for you to use that service on Web3 or everything else in regards that they have in the app, and go check out the app if you're interested, you need that type of project in order for you to succeed. And I'm so glad they actually tick all the boxes for being a successful type of project. With this in mind, I'll let you go through all the links that I'm sharing in the description, and I hope that you will decide to start using the app in case you think this is something that you would like to use, or in case you are for a Nav app and you want to use a navigation which actually pays you for using it. That's the funny bit. Consider having a look. I love it, and the way it recognizes everything is absolutely amazing. If I run the AI in this room, it will probably recognize all the objects, and it's impressive to see how it works. It helps you drive, but it also helps you have a efficient type of driving. It definitely helps you get to where you want to get in a good time, and they are just going to propose different routes in case some of the routes that you're taking are busy, or the AI decides that something is happening on that route. I kind of like the way it works, and I like the way it develops. Hopefully we'll see more updates coming soon, and hopefully tomorrow, as tomorrow is going to be the day for the KuCoin, we're going to see something amazing happening. I'm very excited to see that, and I wish you all the luck in the world in case you are part of this app and in case you decided to use that. With that being said, I'll leave you in peace. Go check it out if you want it. I just wanted to quickly share the news with you and share all the relevant links for you to be able to see. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, like this video, because I'm planning to keep on posting till I reach at least 100,000 subscribers. I'm so far away from that, not even 10% on the way. but I'm sure with your help I can get there, and hopefully one day I will do that. Don't forget, look after yourself and your families. Until next time, stay safe.